viewers, today I was telling about how to fix Discord stream losses color issue. Here are the detailed steps on how to fix Discord streaming losing color issue. Check your internet connection, and first step is fixing the Discord stream losing color issue is to check your internet connection. A poor connection is that can affect the quality of shared content, including the color saturation. Here's how to check your internet connection. And go to your speed test.net or any other speed test tool and click the go button to start the speed test and wait for the test complete and check for results. And if your internet connection speed is slow or unstable, try the following and reset your modem and router. So move closer to the Wi-Fi router or switch to the an Ethernet cable and optimizing your Discord settings. The first step is in fixing the Discord stream losing the color issue is to optimize your Discord settings. And if your Discord setting is not optimized for your device or network, so it can affect the quality of the shared content, including the color saturation, and disable the hardware acceleration. So the third step in fixing the Discord stream losing the color issue is to disable the hardware acceleration. Hardware acceleration is a feature that allows your device to use its hardware resources such as the graphic card and to improve the performance of the Discord app and roll back the NVIDIA drivers update. And if the image changes the color when on screen, sharing issue on Discord is caused by NVIDIA most recent driver update. So rolling back to the most previous version of the driver can fix the problem. Many users reported that they are able to fix this issue by doing this and roll back NVIDIA drivers updates. If the image changes color when screen sharing issue on Discord is caused by NVIDIA most recent driver update, rolling back to the previous version of driver can fix the problem. Many users reported that they were able to fix this issue by doing this, and here show to roll back to the previous version of the NVIDIA driver. Open the device manager on the Windows PC and find the adapters category and expand it and right click on NVIDIA graphics card and select properties and click on the driver tab and select rollback driver and update your graphics card. The fourth step is fixing the Discord stream losing color issue is to update your graphics card. Outdated is incompletable graphic card drivers can catch the various issues, including the Discord streaming losing the color issue, and restart your streaming on Discord. And if you have tried all above fixes and try Discord stream is to still losing the color, you can try restarting your stream. And here how to restart your stream: stop the current stream in Discord and close the Discord app or web completely and use a different browser or app. The fifth and final in fixing the Discord streaming losing color issue is to use a different browser or app. In some cases the Discord web app or Discord app not work properly on device or not network caching the issue, and contact the Discord support. And if the issue the Discord stream losing the color persists even after trying the above fixes, you can contact the Discord support team to further assistance. And go to the Discord support page at http://support.discord.com HCENS and click the submit a request button and select the issue that the best describes your problem and such as the video and screen share or audio quality, and fill in the required information such as email address, Discord name, and a detailed description of the issue. And thanks for watching us.